Not all brands have a personality, but the memorable ones do. Walking into a Mcdonald's is different from walking into a Chipotle, and you get a different vibe from IKEA than you do from Bed Bath & Beyond. These huge multinational corporations have put attention into their brand personality. Everything from their name, colors, and logo, to even the physical presence in a retail store. And that personality sticks in our minds because it's consistent. But you don't have to be a big multinational corporation to craft a brand personality that people will trust, appreciate, and resonate with. You've just got to roll up your sleeves, do the hard work of finding a core purpose that rises above everything else, and then take practical steps to communicate your brand's identity to customers, employees, the marketing team, and everyone that you meet. No sweat, right? It may not be quick or easy, but helping people identify your company in a way that matches what you're really about is absolutely doable. Whether you're large or small, we find that there's 7 tools to help most brands build their definition and communicate it to the world. In this new series, we're hitting all of them, starting with personality, and then moving on to metaphor, archetype, setting, history, context, and then brand story. These may not cover every situation, but they are essential to every situation. Let's start with our favorite, which is a brand's personality. Brands do have a personality, just like people do. And by personality, we don't necessarily mean like a persona. The word persona comes from a mask worn by a stage character. An actor can slip on a new persona and create a new character at will, just like any number of people that we probably know who seem to have a different persona every hour. Some brands do that too, and they have a different persona for the public or for investors or for different regional markets. But personality has to do with those qualities that make something personal. Personality describes what's under the mask, someone's nature and distinct characteristics that don't change. Somebody's personality allows you to recognize them as the distinct person that they are and have the sense that you really know them. And just like someone's personality, a brand's personality starts in the DNA. So how do you find it? Take a microscope to your organization and ask, how does it act? How does it talk? How does it look and feel and maybe even smell? Hopefully it smells amazing. Is it serious or silly or sassy, settled or stable, fast or slow, traditional or modern, natural or technological? We ask these questions because people who have unique, distinct personalities are hard to forget. People who just seem like copies are easily forgettable, and the same goes for copycat brands. Smaller companies are less likely to put energy into their brand personalities, but the ones that do stand out. And here's the secret. When a smaller company shows its personality, making it memorable and unique, people often prefer that feeling to the feeling that they get from a really large company. That's right, smaller companies can benefit from brand personality if they apply one factor: consistency. Over time, interacting with the same consistent, trusted personality builds a sense of trust. You don't just trust somebody whose personality changes every day. You don't trust somebody who seems like they're hiding something. Trusting a brand requires being able to see its genuine personality, a window to its underlying values and purpose. If you're consistent in how you speak, look, act, and communicate, then you're building trust with everyone you interact with, and you'll probably be ready for our thoughts on metaphor, the next tool in our belt. If we've piqued your interest, then please check out our new book, all about creating authentic, real brands. It's called You Are Remarkable, and it's out now on Amazon.com. If you want to find out more about Resound and how we help B2B companies create remarkable brands, you can find us at resoundcreative.com. We have lots of great and free resources for brand builders, and we'd love to hear from you. Like the people we meet and the brands and B2B companies that we help, we know that distinct personalities are always remarkable. And if something's remarkable, then it's definitely worth sharing. And don't forget, you are remarkable.